What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lhyms. Welcome everyone. You guys could have been anywhere else. You chose to click on this video. I very much appreciate that. Today I have a something. It's a piece of furniture. I forgot how you call it, but I'm gonna repaint it. I'm gonna do a makeover. I'm gonna repaint it with chalk paint. It's a DIY actually project. I love to do DIYs. I'm very passionate about DIYs. I'm always fixing something around the house. So hoping that all of you guys are doing okay. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends and family. Let's go. Let me show you guys what I'm. So focus. This is what it is. The kids use it to put the toys and everything. It's like shelves. I did that, but you know, I don't like the look anymore. Especially it's like starting to peel off. I used wallpaper. That was a DIY that I did not record, but today I'm gonna undo it and then paint it over. So this is the paint I have from Amazon. This box, okay, this is the paint inside the box. You have the paint on it, so I'm gonna do it. Let's do this together. I'm excited for this project to see how it turns out. Let's go.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth. I'm gonna have to let you go if you don't wanna let me know.
I never knew the glue that the wallpaper comes with would have adhered to the wood like that. Like, it's so hard to take off. So you guys already see I'm struggling. So let me, I don't know, maybe 20 hours later, let me try to take it off, and then we'll see you in the next clip.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth. I'm gonna have to let you go if you don't wanna let me know. Tired of feeling so low. Just say yes or say no. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth. Just say yes or say no. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth. This back and forth. This back and forth. Spend a day looking blank out the window. All looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo. Nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow. Shadows lurk all around in my sorrow. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew what it myself alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you.
It's drying right now. I give it like a 20 minutes dry time, and in the meantime I'm going to take off the other handles in the other drawer, and I get ready to paint in. So excited to see how it's gonna look. So I'll have to show you guys the paint I'm using. So here's the paint, guys. I just have to read the instructions. They did say in the reviews that the bottle was small, and that's why I ordered 3. So I don't know, let's see if 3 really covers. I really want to finish the project today, but if 3 is not enough, I'm gonna have to order more. And that was on Amazon, and that's the color I picked. So let's see what happened. So guys, this is the paint. Oh, I cannot see it. This is the color. Hold on. This is the color of the paint. So I don't know how you guys gonna. I have to try my best to get the best angle. Okay, let's start.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. More give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better. Girl, when I'm with you, she luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I say there's songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Nobody but you.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying
I'm about to apply the second coat. This is bad looking. I mean, it's looking pretty good, to be honest. I mean, both of them are looking pretty good, to be honest. I'm not a professional, so we'll see how it goes. I'm about to apply the second coat.
You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off, so flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete. Why you gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Mood, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. Should not be hard to understand. Don't wanna be bothered by a man. No need to flex, boy, don't be vexed. Not interested, no way, no thanks. Do you think they're acting confident? Get you in, that's not the point. Acting smooth, but you got no cool. So simple, you just gotta move. Why you've gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just get out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I have had enough of your loud parade. It's time for you to go away. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. Spend a day looking blank out the window. All looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo. Nothing works in my
Finally done,
head.
guys. This was a
I'm
real
moving so
DIY.
slow. Shadows lurk all around
This was really real.
my sorrow. Can't focus, I'm
Everybody's
distracted,
painted.
and I don't know why.
but thank God that's a water paint, so it's gonna come off. And I had to clean up, even though I had put things on the floor, paint still got on the floor a little bit though. So now it's drying. It says in the bottle, the paint instruction, that it's gonna take 2 hours. So I finished painting at 9:30 p.m. so I'm gonna wait for like midnight, 11:30 midnight, to see the final product. But let me show you guys. Look at this. So it's gonna take a while for it to dry. I did a second coat. I probably could have done a third coat, but I'm happy with this because that thing takes so long. So I'm happy with the finished product. Guys, so guys, it takes me, I would say like, I don't know, 2 to 2.5 hours to do it. But it could have taken me less. But you know, when you have to deal with kids, I had to leave it, deal with the kids, and then come back to it, leave it again in the middle of it, come back again to do the second coat. So, but next time, I'm not gonna say never, but if I'm gonna put wallpaper and furniture, I want it to have like a marble look or just change something different. That's why I'm always doing DIY. I'm not gonna put that and furniture again, because that was so crazy to take off. That glue that they put on this wallpaper is very sticky. I'm wondering, how about people who put wallpaper on the walls, like to take that off? Nah, I'm not doing that anymore. But otherwise, that's the finished product. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Always put on your notification bell and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye guys. Love you all.